National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central El Paso County in east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pueblo Airport, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pueblo, Pueblo Airport, Fountain, Pueblo West, Pinion, and Hanover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We didn't